Hello, I'm Steve Rothstein, a composer and music instructor based here in Los Angeles. And I have a very important question for you. Have you ever struggled with ear training in the past? And do those struggles continue on with you today? If so, I have a very unique opportunity for you. I'm excited to announce my brand new online crash course in ear training starting this January 2025. And this is how the course works. Once you register, you have access to all the pre-recorded video tutorials. Then you simply work through the material at your own rate. Now, each video is full of demonstrations and explanations and examples of how to approach the material, how to practice, and ultimately how to master each topic. And in addition to those videos, you will also have access to weekly live webinar sessions with me, where I personally help guide you and support you in your efforts. The webinars are designed simply as extra support, and they're completely optional. So you can come to them, you can skip them, you can come every other week, whatever suits your schedule. They're just there to help support you. And from the time you register, you have 6 months to access all the videos and webinars and in order to complete the course. Now, all the techniques that I teach you are ones that I uniquely and personally developed in order to teach myself to gain mastery at oral perception. So let me tell you a little story. When I was a student, I really struggled with ear training. When I was in college, I took classes and I went to office hours. I got help from my instructors, and I really, really struggled. And often my teachers just kept testing me. And I did end up passing those courses because I worked hard, but I knew in my heart of hearts that I didn't internalize the material and I hadn't really mastered it. And out of frustration, even after I finished those courses, I went and got books, I went to websites, and I read different techniques of how to practice. And they were all kind of confusing, and they really were based on testing, kept testing. And out of frustration, I remember sitting in a practice room in college, and I was at the piano and I said, I can do this. I can figure out a methodology for myself. And slowly, over the next few weeks and months, I taught myself deeply and seriously how to internalize many, many different topics in ear training. Most of the teaching that is around today has to do with testing. Like you learn an interval and then you're tested. But my methodology is different. In my method, I teach you how to be both the teacher and the student at the same time. And you go, how is that possible? Well, that's what the course is all about. So it is a way of training yourself without just relying on external sources for testing. Now, some of the material that we cover, or a lot of the material that we cover, include interval recognition, solfege mastery, and I have a very unique approach to solfege, which is a do re mi system, chord recognition, hearing chord inversions, harmonic, melodic, and rhythmic dictations, and I develop my own rhythmic shorthand that I'll teach you. And then my own unique personal favorite is a system called Be Your Own Mozart. They said that Mozart could write music like we write a letter. And I teach you basically how to do the same thing, utilizing intervals and melodic intervals and rhythm all together. And it's a really fun system. So all the course material will be available starting January 20th, 2025. The course is priced at $497 USD for a 6-month access to all the material and the live webinars each week. So for more information, you can visit my website, and to register, you can visit my website at www.steverothsteinmusic.com. So don't wait. Let 2025 be the year where you strengthen your ear and create the foundation in music that you always wanted. I look forward to hearing from you and seeing you in class. Bye-bye.